Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of how to properly connect your Bluetooth module to your controller and how to pair it with the PLAY700 app. So to get started, you will need to disconnect the cable from the module. Just gently hold right next to the connector and pull it out. The next step is to open up the door or the battery door on the controller. Put the door to the side, and here you will see a 4-pin connection. You will need to put this side of the Bluetooth cable into the connector here. Have the two grooves face downward, as you see here, and then you will be able to firmly attach the cable into the connector. After putting in the cable into the connector, put in your 3 batteries. You need to put the negative side against the spring. After having the batteries inserted, thread the little connection of the Bluetooth cable through one of the holes. This will depend on your build, either it being a Scorpion, a car, or anything else. The 2 hinges here will need to go above where the connector is, as you see here. Close it and reconnect the small cable into the Bluetooth module. And there you go. You have correctly assembled the Bluetooth module with the PLAY700 controller.